Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and can you believe once again it is Memorial Day weekend 2022, and let me tell you, this was the first weekend that we actually had nice weather in the past 4 years. And so this weekend it was amazing to see you guys come down and have a great time, and believe you me, we were there. We filmed an entire recap video for you guys, going through all the events, all the fun activities, and so we're gonna roll that in a minute. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So there you guys go. We had some drone shots and there's sunrises, sunsets, like right behind me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't make it down, we got so much summer, so many amazing events coming up. I mean, the country concerts in a few weeks, so many cool things. So make sure you book your vacation now. And I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my Patreons on patreon.com. It's because of them that I get awesome equipment like this to film videos for you guys, and they just film these kind of videos. If you too want to support this channel, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. As always, I'm Joey. I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.